FTX was fueled by drugs, sex, and poker fraud. The rise and fall of FTX, once the world's third largest crypto exchange, is now officially the subject of the next Michael Lewis book. In 2008, players on UB were cheated out of $50 million by UB's owner Russ Hamilton, who had God mode access to the cards of all UB players. What the FCK happened. In 2022, FTX spun off a VC fund, FTX Ventures, armed with a war chest of $2 billion. Terra founder Do Kwon has been wanted by Interpol since September and has shown no signs of cooperating with authorities. Absence of regulatory oversight. At least 11 crypto exchanges have promised to declare details of their holdings. Meanwhile, Binance's Zhao, now the owner of the largest crypto exchange in the world by far, is preparing a recovery fund to help strong crypto projects tied over the crisis. What's next for crypto? If the days of unbridled financial speculation are over, it could finally pave the way for better use cases to emerge and for investors to invest their money wisely. If you've made it this far down the newsletter, the big story this week highlights the impact of the FTX fiasco in Singapore. The big story. Singaporeans feel betrayed by Temasek-backed FTX. Temasek has since marked down its FTX investment to $0. To the stars. Carbon crypto now supported by the World Bank. The World Bank is launching a global registry for carbon credits in December called the Climate Action Data Trust, CAD Trust. The Singapore-headquartered platform will be powered by the Qian Network, a public blockchain founded by BitTorrent creator Bram Cohen. To the moon. WageRx co-founders Layer 1 blockchain raises $18 million. Shardium, which was established by a key person behind India's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, now counts Spartan Group as an investor. WageRx co-founders Layer 1 blockchain raises $18 million. Back to Earth. ASX drops blockchain project after 2 years. The Australian Securities Exchange has abandoned the long-anticipated replacement of its core trading systems at a cost of around $255 million. Despite the write-off, ASX said it can still use some of the tech developed. Still a Ponzi scheme. Dan Friedberg, the chief regulatory officer, CRO, of FTX, who was a part of online poker platform UltimateBet, UB, has been keeping a low profile since the exchange's collapse. To date, Friedberg is the only member of the FTX team to have direct involvement in fraud. More to chew on. The new capital injection comes on top of the US $58 million that it initially raised in May. The Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office is looking into the company's launch of its Terra payment services, which may have involved using its customers' personal data without consent.